Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a focused document library and setting the foundation. Create the library now, then add metadata columns like department and document type so you can filter and find files quickly. Turn on versioning and require checkout to prevent overwrite conflicts. This helps you track changes and restore prior states. Once done, assign user permissions scope to groups rather than individuals so administration stays simple. These initial steps reduce clutter and enforce consistent filing as you move into organizing content. Now you structure and automate to make the library usable at scale. Create custom views that surface active documents, archived files, and department-specific sets so users land on relevant content immediately. Prefer metadata-driven organization over deep folder trees because metadata supports powerful filtering and bulk edits. Build Power automate flows that route documents for approval, notify stakeholders, and tag retention dates. This reduces manual work and enforces policy. Make sure to test flows with a sample document, finish by formalizing maintenance and training so the system stays healthy. Run a short training session that shows users how to populate metadata, check files out and in, and use saved views. That improves compliance and findability. Configure retention policies and schedule quarterly audits to remove legacy content and reindex large libraries. If something breaks, check permission inheritance first. Then review Power Automate Run History and Column Indexing. Those are the common failure points and typically resolve most access or search issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.